evening, traders from across the globe. This is video number 2909 coming at you on a Thursday night, and it's for trading on Friday, which is May 9th, 2025. Traders, I'm here for one reason. The OMNI, as you've seen, has been making fantastic calls with its arrow since before Trump mentioned the tariffs. It called the lows, and it's been calling everything so dramatically well. Now, I'm not saying we get filled every day. I wish we would, but the OMNI has been calling things perfectly. Tomorrow at 11 a.m. Eastern Time, I'm going to do a live webinar, and I'll go over all the charts that I've been using lately to show us where we've gone and where we should be going. I'll go over a whole bunch of charts, and I'll try to tap in a little bit into every industry, so hopefully there'll be something in this for all of you. Sign up for tomorrow's live webinar. If you're watching this video, it's tomorrow, right? Friday. If you're watching the video tomorrow, it's Friday morning, so make sure you sign up. The link is below. Again, 8 in the morning for me here in Vegas, about 11 a.m. right around 11 a.m. New York time. So make sure that you get up early and you're ready for this. I certainly will be. Traders, that's what I wanted to mention to you. One of my Omniacs wrote to me and asked me what my figures were for April. Oh, my back hurts. Anyway, so I have two entities every single month for the last, I can't tell you how many years, that add up all the Omni trades separately. And when they come together and they have the same exact totals, they give them to me. Well, this one's been on vacation and won't come back until Monday. So next week, I'll get all of April's numbers and we'll post them on the board as we do with all of our monthly totals. Traders, sign up for the webinar. I got some great charts to show you. Hopefully it shows us where we're going. It showed me. I hope it shows you. The link is below. Remember, stops are in. Emotions are out. Rock and roll. See you all at the webinar Friday morning.